Hi, and welcome to a room tour. But first, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Shari. This is my husband.
Hi, I'm Philip, and this is Lotte.
We're actually based in Hamburg, Germany, but right now we're in lovely Sweden, so we thought we'd do a room tour for you. 3 months ago, we started our journey with this van conversion. We bought this lovely Peugeot jumper. We bought a Peugeot Boxer from the year 2011. It had about 80,000 kilometers down, and we built it into our tiny home on wheels. So let's come on inside.
So this Peugeot Boxer is, in Germany we say, it's H2L3, what means it's nearly 6 meters long and I think 205 high. We started with the insulation. We used first Alupetyl, then Armaflex. We did the stud work. We did the cladding. Before, of course, we did all the wiring. I think we used 70 meters of cables. Now I don't want to bore you. Let's start with the kitchen.
Philip and I love to cook, so it was quite important for us that we have a big kitchen and quite a bit of storage. So we bought these 3 boxes. One of them is just for Lotte, for all her food, her gear, her snacks. She loves snacks like every beagle does. And the second box is for our food, our dry goods. We have fruit in here and bread and cookies. It's quite full at the moment. And down here we just have pans and oils, and we also use these straps over here to keep the boxes from moving whenever we drive. This is also, I think, from Germany. Security is a very, very big word, but I mean, it's good if everything is secure and is not falling out. Over here we use the expander straps to keep our stuff in here. We also have, again, lots of stuff, everything that we need to get quickly in the morning, maybe before like walking her in the morning. Then our towels, because we love a dip in the water. We love to stay at lakes or at the sea. And down here we just have our oats, muesli, and something to keep our van clean. Over here we have these nice tiles. I'm very, very happy that we found these tiles. And also a little box from my granddad that we use in here. But most important, our sink and the water system.
In here is our water system. In here is our water system. In general, I try to keep everything very simple in this van. So yeah, let's first remove the trash can, very good place. And then we used magnets, really strong magnets. Yeah, we have a 25-liter water tank with a 12-volt pump inside, and everything goes directly down out of the van. No worries, we just use eco-friendly soap. And if we are in a city or something else, we use this gray water tank, and that's basically it. Of course, like Shai said again, in Germany is security very, very important. So everything is tight in here. In Germany, you have to do the TÜV in the end. What means you need a special certificate that you can use a normal transporter as a van.
And we have a whole video about that, so just look through our videos.
Next, the most famous shoes in Germany. Birkenstocks. Just kidding. Over the fridge is a huge box just with kitchen utensils. And underneath is our cooler or fridge, whatever you want. It's a Dometic Tropicool 35 liter. There's a huge compartment or two compartments, you can separate these. And we have food from a 3 in there. Yeah, and it's more than enough for us.
We decided on the Dometic gas stove with 2 plates, which is just enough for our breakfast, just to boil our water here for coffee and our porridge. And underneath we have our gas can.
Let's have a look. So, it's very safely locked. And there's our gas box as well, saved with a really strong magnet. Yeah. And one of the rules, if the gas is leaking, you need a box that the gas stays inside. As well, we have here a 12 centimeter big hole that if gas is leaking, the gas goes directly out. We have a 30 millibar compression thingy thing with 2 knobs here, so I can turn off the Dometic heater and our heater. Underneath this seating area is our heater. We use a Propex HS2000, I think is the name. Here's the thermostat. The heat comes out of here, and inside is our heater. Nothing special, just the heater.
Underneath the other chair we have a portable toilet.
Here we have a huge access to our trunk. But first, let's remove our lovely carpet. And again, I use the magnet. And here we have our water. So that's very easy to build. I just grab the leg from the overhead storage. Whoa! Remove this strap. Our table.
Here we have our control panel. We have our light switches, our USB chargers, and our solar computer from Victron Energy, and it tells us how much our battery is loaded and everything you need to know while on the road if your battery is still fine. Also over here we have our carbon monoxide detector, so we don't die in here. Here we have a long board of cabinets. We store our clothes in here. I just show you Philipp's because mine is a little mess. And over there we have...
Here's our kitchen cabinet with everything what you need.
Especially the wine glasses.
Oh, these are cool. I'll show you. These are our wine glasses. Camping wine glasses. The benefit of these is that
over here we have an open cabinet with our toiletry bag, a little bookshelf, and of course a Polaroid camera to take pictures of our special moments here. And not to forget a little light to read.
Yeah, that's the perfect place for this light. I have no problems with these in the night.
Of course, every woman needs a mirror, and we glued it on the wall so it should be fine there, it should stay there. And we have a plant.
Sorry.
We have a plant just for a nicer atmosphere in here. Fit in here.
Yeah, we especially built this extendable thing there because I'm a little bit longer, so that I have a bit more space. We have a lot of lights in here. So first we have a fancy LED bar, and we have 2 lights in the back, and oh, that was the wrong one. No. And 4 lights in here. We have 3.5 windows in this van. We have this big window in the kitchen.
We have this big window so you can see the stars at night, and our fancy window. It's round. We call it bull eye. It's a bull eye window. I think it's that in English as well.
And are you thinking about why I'm talking about 3.5? I mean, and we have this one, our van. You can open this there.
As you can see, on all doors we glued car carpet.
It's a very, very nice touch, I think. And here you can see our huge storage underneath the bed. It's a lot of stuff in here. For example, we have 2 subs in the back. Here I have a small tapping. Oh, it's so far! Tapping light. Behind these 2 wooden planks there's our electricity with a massive 260 amp battery. And yeah, a lot of stuff is in boxes, our tables. We have 2 stools there, electricity, my guitar. And here you can see our fire extinguisher. Thank you.
You're welcome.
On our rooftop is our 300-watt solar panel. We have 2, so 150 each. There you can see our vent and our lovely window. We'll talk about this later.
Press inside.
For the nice look of the van, it was one of my wishes that we use this Raptor paint. That's a special off-grid paint. So there is a very nice structure in here.
One of our goodies is our marquees. If you want more details, go check out our previous videos, or leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel.
Do it now. No, click it. Click it. Do it. Please do it.
And we would love to hear from you, and have a lovely day.
Bye.